Praise the Lord. This is another day that the Lord has made, and we will rejoice and be glad in it. And I'd like to share another word with you today that I heard. Knowing me is a lifelong journey, but it does involve learning to hear my voice. Until you hear my voice, I cannot teach you. I cannot directly teach you. I cannot correct your misconceptions as easily as I do when I speak to you. I must get your attention by more subtle means, in an indirect way. When you know me, then you are my friend. I can come to you directly. You trust me, and I trust you. That is why you just had that flash, that insight. It is why some people depend on intermediaries because they do not know me or know how to know me. The biggest problem with that approach is that there is no assurance that the intermediary knows me and hears from me unless people have been taught to go to the scriptures and see if the intermediary speaks the truth. So many people do not revel in my scriptures that have been given for their instruction. They have tossed them aside and laid them on their shelf or put their genealogy or important papers in it for safekeeping. Its pages are not worn or underlined, and they are starving, for they do not regularly read my words of life. Check the messages below. I'm going to share the 4 keys for hearing God's voice. Blessings.